is a puppy. So playful. Woof, woof, hear it? This is a goose. It honks so loud. Honk, honk, hear it. This is a gander. So strong and tall. Honk, honk, hear it. This is a pigeon. It flies so nice. Cuckoo, hear it?
This is a parrot. It talks so fun. Squab, hear it.
This is a rooster. It wakes us up. Cock-a-doodle-doo, hear it? This is a donkey. It's so funny. Hee-haw, hear it? This is a rabbit. It hops so cute. Sniff, sniff, hear it. This is a cat. So soft and sweet. Meow, meow, hear it. This is a dog. It loves to play. Woof, woof, hear it. This is a horse. It runs so fast. Na-na, hear it. This is a goat. It jumps so funny. Ba-ba. Listen. This is a buffalo. Big and gentle. Hear it. This is a sheep. So soft and sweet. Baba, hear it? This is a rabbit doe. So soft and sweet. Sniff, sniff, hear it. This is a hamster. So round and funny. Squeak, squeak, hear it? This is a guinea pig. So tiny and cute. Squeak, hear it? This is a donkey jack. So strong and loud. Ha-ha, hear it? This is an alpaca. So fluffy and cute. Hear it? This is a yak. So furry and big. Hear it? This is a squab. So soft and tiny. Cuckoo, hear it? This is a mule. So strong and brave. Hee-haw, hear it? This is a pony. So cute and strong. Na-na, hear it? This is a turkey poult. So tiny. Poop, poop, hear it? This is a gosling. It walks so cute. Honk, honk, hear it? This is a chick. So tiny and sweet. Cheep, cheep, hear it? This is a duckling. It swims so cute. Beep, beep, hear it? This is a camel calf. So cute. Hear it? This is a foal. It runs so fast. Nay-nay, hear it? This is a kitten. So tiny and cute. Meow, meow. Hear it? This is a kid. It jumps so high. Ba-ba, hear it? This is a lamb. So fluffy and sweet. Ba-ba, hear it? This is a calf. So soft and small. Moo-moo, hear it? This is a donkey foal. So tiny. Hee-haw, hear it? This is a pig. It loves mud. Oink, oink, hear it? This is a dove. So calm and pretty. Cuckoo, hear it? This is a turkey. Look at its feathers. Gobble, gobble, hear it? This is a hen. She lays eggs. Cluck, cluck, hear it. This is a duck. It swims so well. Quack, quack, hear it. This is a camel. It carries heavy loads. Groo, hear it. This is a cow. So friendly. Moo moo, hear that? This is a llama. So soft and tall. Hear it? This is an ox. So strong and calm. Hear it? This is a ferret. So quick and funny. Chit chit, hear it? This is a bull. So strong and bold. Hear it? This is a bison. So strong and fluffy. Hear it? This is an ox. So strong and calm. Hear it? This is a chicken. It runs so funny. Cluck, cluck, hear it?